Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards. Starting at number 5. iClever BK06. The uniquely designed iClever Bluetooth keyboard works with up to 3 devices at a time that support Bluetooth, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It uses a split design with a 166-degree angle to better match the natural alignment of your hands. As for portability, it folds up and weighs a very light 6.2 ounces. Its leather case not only looks good, but it's scratch-resistant and anti-skid. The keyboard is also reliable as you'll get 40 hours of work time on one charge. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. At number 4. Kinesis ADVANTAG E2KB600. If you spend hours toiling over code, you'll want to invest in a high-quality keyboard that won't wreck your limbs. Enter the Kinesis ADVANTAG E2 with its very unique design and versatility as a plug-and-play keyboard that works with all major operating systems. It'll cost you, but there's a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Similar to other keyboards, it has palm support and cushion pads, but the Kinesis ADVANTAG E2 stands out for its unique layout, specifically its thumb keys and the 20 degrees of tenting. Keyboard enthusiasts will also appreciate the Cherry MX brown mechanical switches, which are tactile, quiet, and durable. Plus, they require a lighter touch to activate, which is important for prolonged typing. Halfway of my listed number 3. Logitech MK550. Logitech's MK550 keyboard and mouse combo has a constant curve layout which uses a wave design to reduce stress and allow for an easier typing experience. You'll still get lots of ergonomic features including the integrated palm rest and adjustable leg height. And it comes bundled with a precision laser mouse, making for a great deal. Both items are wireless with long battery lives. The keyboard gets up to 3 years and the mouse gets about 2 years. Coming in at number 2. Perixx Periboard 512. Like other ergonomic keyboards, the Perixx Periboard has a split key design and palm rest to promote a more relaxed position when typing. Still, its affordable price tag sets it apart. Other ergonomic features include tactile keystrokes, which means you won't have the clickiness that some other mechanical keyboards have. This can be a plus or minus depending on your preference, but many users appreciate that softer feel. While this wired USB keyboard is designed for Windows, it can also be used with Mac computers. And though you might not get the add-ons that more expensive keyboards offer, the 7 hotkeys, which allow you to perform common functions like launching your email program in one click. And number 1. Logitech Ergo K860. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line wireless ergonomic keyboard, the Logitech Ergo connects via Bluetooth technology from up to 10 meters. You'll also get up to 24 months of use on 2 AAA batteries, and it works with both Mac and Windows computers. Standout features include the adjustable tilting legs, the pillow-like wrist rest, and the sloped keyboard design. Each of these helps reduce strain by allowing you to customize the typing experience so that your wrist is in its perfect natural position. The adjustable legs are particularly helpful if you use a standing desk or you switch between different office chairs throughout the day. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below